This video is for the 6th grade Fundraiser Commercial Assignment 2 in-text citations. First, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab, click on Mail. Then from here, what you're going to do is up at the search bar at the top of your mail, you're going to type in We Video Link and hit enter, and it should pop up with an email with a We Video link. So you're going to click on that and then click on the link that appears. Then from here, you're going to click on where it says join with a new account. Then click on the G to sign up with your Google account. You'll then click on your account. And then when this pop-up comes up, just click on the X. Then from here, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Projects at the top. And you're going to click on Create New Project. From here, what you're going to do is type in a title, such as Fundraiser Commercial. And click on where it says Collaborative. Then click on Next. Next, you're going to see your class pop up. You're going to click on it and click on Next. From here, what you want to do is you want to rewind this video and have the next person that's in your group follow all of the instructions that we just did. Now that your partner should have followed the directions that we just did, the first person will be able to refresh and create a new collaborative project if you haven't already done so. You want to just give it a title like Fundraiser Commercial and click on Collaborative, click Next, and now it should show up with your class. You click on your class, click Next, and it should pop up with your partner's name, assuming that your partner rewound and followed the directions. So you click on your partner's name, click on Next, click Next again, and click Finish. Then you're going to click on Start. Click on Blank Edit. Then click Start again. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to open up a new tab and you're going to go to Drive. So click on the 3x3 grid, click on Drive. And then you're going to click where it says Search Drive and search for your copy of the storyboard template. So if you just start typing in copy of storyboard, it should appear. Then from here, what we're going to do is we're going to click and drag to highlight the information that's underneath scene 1. And we're not going to highlight the author and the year just yet. So just the information for scene 1, and then hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. You're going to click back over to We Video, then click on the A to get text boxes. And you're going to click on Motion and More. And what you want to do is you want to choose a style that has both primary text and secondary text. So for example, I'm just going to choose this first one. We're going to drag it into the Video 2 section of the timeline. From here, you're going to click on the clip that you just added to Video 2, put your pointer on the 3 lines that appear above it, and then click on the pencil that appears above that. Then what you're going to do is click where it says Primary Text, and then hit Control-V on your keyboard. Now, notice that it comes up kind of small. It's up to you if you want to be able to change the size of that, but we're not going to change the size just yet. So then what we're going to do next is we're going to click on our storyboard template and we're going to click and drag to highlight the author and the year, and then hit Control-C on your keyboard to copy it. You're going to click back over to We Video and then click where it says secondary text, and we're going to do open parentheses, so Shift and 9, then hit Control-V on your keyboard, then hit Shift and 0 to do close parentheses, and then click right before the year, and you're going to have to hit backspace a few times to get rid of those extra spaces. So then it'll look something like what we see here. Then from here, we do have the option to change the colors. So if you wanted to, you could change the colors. You do also have the option to change the font style by clicking on the drop-down arrow in the little black spaces. What we're going to do next, though, is we're going to click on Manual underneath our in-text citation, and we're going to make it a lot smaller. So I'm just going to click and drag to highlight that number, and maybe we'll go with, let's say, 25, size 25. Actually, 25 is a little too small, but we'll try 30. And then from that point, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Done Editing. Then the last part that you're going to do is you're going to change the scale of your text. So you're going to click on the text box that appears, click on the pencil to edit it, and you're going to click on where it says transform. It's kind of like lines with dots in them. And then from here, what you can do is you can click and drag the scale size to make it bigger or smaller. You want to make sure that all of your text still fits on your screen. But now in that point, you've got, you'll be able to have your text a bit bigger, and it won't be kind of smushed together. So then click on Done Editing. And then from here, what you want to do is you just want to continue putting in text boxes. So just going to give your project 3 more text boxes. So just click and drag them. And then from here, what you'll do is repeat these directions by simply clicking and dragging to highlight and copy and paste all of your information from scenes 2, 3, and 4. And so then eventually you'll have all of your text from all 4 of your scenes in your video. And that's it.